Are you tired of being on the hunt, looking for the perfect property? Well, you're in luck because I have an incredible property to show you today. We have a move-in ready, updated home that offers main level living in Lake Ozark. We're going to be looking at a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, over 2,000 square foot of living space, offers 2 living areas, a 2-car garage, and in school the Osage District. Today we're at 1087 Duckhead Road in Lake Ozark. Let's take a look around. Thanks so much for taking a look at this property with me today. My name is Ethan Lee with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks, Jason Whittle All-Pro team. For more information or a private tour, give us a call at 800-836-2005 or check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks.